How about a big round of applause, please? We began with journey from 21 contestants and now 10 semi-finalists. And in a moment, 5 finalists will be left standing. Okay? Get ready, and this is, or here we go for our final 5.
Congratulations once again, ladies. You have gone so far. You are all extraordinary. Palakpakan naman po muli natin, and you are all winners.
Partner, ready ka na?
Ready na ako.
And now it's time to find out who made the top 5 is. And I hope you are ready because it's happening right now. The first contestant to make it to the final 5 is Binibini. Binibini 12.
Natasha May Rivera, Barangay Lawak.
And the next lady who will still has a shot for a title is Binibini. Binibini. Binibini 4.
Mary Luz Tony Paroni of Barangay D.
And moving one step closer to her dream is Binibini 16.
Oh, Denise Santiago, Barangay Pangasinan.
Earning the 4th spot in the final 5 is Binibini 9.
Nika Kim Choperio of Silig Choco.
And 6 women awaiting to hear their name, but there's only one room for one more. And the last spot in the final 5 goes to Binibini. Binibini 8.
Sarah Flora of Barangay Carriedo. Congratulations, ladies. Grabe. Congratulations. And thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5.
And say hello to our final 5. One of these amazing candidates will become our next Binibining Tayug 2019. As exciting as we make it this far, our candidates have no time to celebrate because right now they face and they will face the question and answer portion round. And for the Binibining Tayug